Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. Friends, as you know that we are discussing our SSB guidance course and we have started our psychological test. So friends, this is the second video of the psychological test and we are discussing TAT. For those of the new viewers who have not watched the first video of this series, I would request you to watch our first video and all our previous SSC videos before watching this. It would be a great help to you all. Friends, this course is presented by me. My name is Abhishek Kumar Singh and I got recommended from 14 SSB Allahabad for Short Service Commission Technical Entry. So friends, let us see the picture which I have discussed in my previous video. I have taken this picture and I have told you that I will be discussing and I will tell you a story of this picture in which all the officers like quality will be shown and it would be a great help for you all. So friends, what you can see is that a person is standing and he is saying something to a so many, you can think it as a so many students or you can think it as a so many people who is listening to him very carefully. So this picture can be depicted as something a well-known person is trying to convince some messages to the following person. So friends, let us see what story I have written. Friends, I have considered the person standing as a Ram. He is a railway employee. He is posted in a small railway station. Friends, he was very touched to see the condition of education system in his village. He therefore, along with his friends, a colleague, decided to eradicate this problem and improve the education system in his village. So he was very much touched, he was very much saddened to see that education system where he is posted is not good. So he took an initiative to eradicate this problem. So in weekend days, when he went to the village and interacted with the children, he found that they were very talented but little guidance was missing, for which they were not taking interest in the education. He called each and every student of his village. He gave seminar and talked about the importance of education in life. He even distributed some stationery item which students liked, which which student built interest on him. Soon he started taking classes in weekend days and he found that student also started taking interest in him. As the time passed, very much very students and all the sincere student gave examination and passed the examination with flying colors. Ram was very much satisfied with his effort and he was very much happy that he brought a change in his village. So friend, this is the story. This is the short and simple story that what I felt. Now let us talk about what are the qualities that I brought in this story. First of all, Ram is self-confidence. Ram is self-confident because he took an initiative to solve the problem of education system in his village. His speed of decision is very fast because he talked with his friend and the very next week he visited the village and captured and brought the attention of student towards him. He has the ability to influence a group because he can, as you can see in the picture, that everybody is listening to him. That means he has the ability to influence a group. The next is the sense of responsibility. Next, sense of responsibility, because you can see that being a government employee, he is interested in improving the education system. Next, you can see the quality, important quality, that is cooperation. Cooperation because everybody is cooperating with him and he is also cooperating with the villagers and the students. Next is, friends, you can see that liveliness is also discussed because he is happy in what he is doing. He is very much determined to bring a change. He has got his reasoning ability, and he organizes a seminar in which he distributes a stationary item to grab the attention. So that means his organizing ability is very strong. His power of expression is also good because what he has and what he talks about the importance of education system that brings the interest of students. He is adaptable socially because being posted in a village, he goes and just teaches students. That is a standing job. He has stamina because after a hour of working in a railways, he is taking time for the students on weekend days. Sorry, he has, and if he is doing all these things, that means he must have a courage. That's why he is able to do these all things. So, friends, by a short and simple story, I have bought all these 15 officers like quality, and this story is purely written by me. So what I thought of being building a story in which I would request you all that you people always ask how to bring a qualities in the story. So this story, by saying this story, I have bought all the 15 officers like quality. For those who want the story what I have told just now, you can ping me on my mail ID, that is s2jacademy@gmail.com. I will share you the story. But remember, do not do the mugging of any story because it will not help you at all, because this is purely a test of psychology, and these officers who test you are purely experienced and they have been doing for the last 25-30 years. So my request is build a story with all this quality. I have given you a simple story, and if you want such story for your practice, you can mail me at s2jacademy@gmail.com. So I thank you all for watching. Share knowledge, share success. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and share with your friends. So thank you. Jai Hind.